Hello, my name is Julian Eceheverri. My code is P2636. The subject is Undertake project work, and I will do the task 7 of the assessment. So I will start. Student 1. Good morning, team. Today we will be discussing each part of the project scope, starting with our mission and values. Can you give me an overview of what we hope to achieve with this project? Julian. Our goal for this project is to build a strong brand identity and provide an exceptional customer experience. We want this plan to increase brand awareness, drive customer loyalty, and generate new revenue streams. Student 1. What about the budget, Julian? The budget for this project has been estimated at $70,000. This budget covers all aspects of the marketing plan, such as advertising, public relations, digital marketing, and retail. We can review the budget in detail if needed. Student 1. Sounds like an adequate budget. Have you considered any contingencies for this project? Julian. Yes, we have accounted for any potential change that could happen during the course of the project and set aside a certain portion of the budget as a contingency. Student 1. Alright, let's discuss the risks involved with this project. What are some of the main risks that we need to be aware of? Julian. Two of the main risks that we need to consider are poor quality from suppliers and loss of data. Student 1. Yes, those are definitely important risks that we need to address. Can you provide any suggestion for how we can reduce this risk? Julian, we can conduct quality control checks on our supplier and ensure that they meet the necessary standard. We can also ensure that data is backed up on regularly and that security systems are up to date. Student 1. Alright, let's discuss each team member role and responsibilities within this project. Can you remind us what the role and responsibilities of the project manager are? Julian, the project manager is responsible for managing the project scope, timeline, budget, and resources. They are also responsible for overseeing the planning, implementation, and evaluation of the project, as well as managing any charges that arise during the course of the project. Student 1. Great, thank you. What about the other team members? Julian, the board of directors is responsible for approving the budget and making the final decision regarding the project. The marketing manager is responsible for developing and implementing the marketing strategy. The fitness instructor will be responsible for providing the highest quality of service customers. The CEO will be responsible for setting the mission and vision of the project. The retail staff will be responsible for promoting the product and service in the store. The advertising agency will be responsible for creating and managing the advertising campaigns. The public relations agency will be responsible for creating and managing the public relations campaigns. The graphic designer will be responsible for creating the visual for the project. The digital marketing agency will be responsible for creating and managing the digital marketing campaigns. Student 1. And what about risk management? Who will be responsible for that? Julian. The project manager will be responsible for managing any risks that arise during the course of the project. The board of directors will be responsible for ensuring that the budget is managed effectively and that resources are used efficiently and effectively. The marketing manager will be responsible for addressing any issues that arise related to the marketing strategies. The fitness instructor will be responsible for addressing any issues that arise related to the customer experience. The retail staff will be responsible for addressing any issues that arise related to the storage experience. The advertising agency will be responsible for addressing any risks associated with the advertising campaigns. The public relations agency will be responsible for addressing any risks associated with the public relations campaigns. The graphic designer will be responsible for addressing any risks associated with the visuals. And the digital marketing agency will be responsible for addressing any risks associated with the digital marketing campaigns. Student 1. Perfect. Let's talk about the chain of command. Can you explain how the different roles function and report to each other? Julian. Yes, the CEO is at the top of the chain of command, followed by the project manager. The project manager reports directly to the CEO. The marketing manager, advertising agency, public relations agency, a graphic designer, or report to the project manager. Student 1. Okay, great. So the project manager is the person running the show and making sure everyone is on the same page. Is there anything else we need to know about this chain of command? Julian, yes, each team member is responsible for completing their tasks on time and on budget. Additionally, the project manager is responsible for addressing any issues or risks that arise during the course of the project. Student 1, perfect. I think you are good to go and believe that the project is ready to begin. Julian, thank you.